put a call into commitment, but no one's picking up on. Then alone came you with everything that I need, yeah. You brought the light and you brought the truth. Now I feel redeemed. I just want more of you tomorrow than I had of you today. I hope that's alright with you now. Would you stick around? Cause I got to keep you close enough to hear. Yes, I do. Words you say. I got to get you closer. Closer than a woman. Closer to me. Got to get you close enough to be everything you are. I got to get you closer. Closer than a second from now. Make it last. Make it last. Feel alone in a crowded room, searching for a friend now. But I remember the afternoon that this love affair began. When I gave you my heart, you took it. Gave you my pain and you wrote back the tears. Can I take the time to thank you, Lord, just for being here? I can't let the fire go out. I can't let the music stop now. Gotta shape my day around my love for you. Cause I got to get you close enough to hear what you say. And I got to get you closer. Closer than closer to me. Can I get you close enough? Yeah. Can I get you closer? Closer than a second from now. As long as it takes to make you happy with me, no price is too great to pay. All love means everything, and there is nothing I need more than your presence with me. Cause I know you love me.